What up, what up? What is good, everybody? Welcome back. Another day in the books, man. It's afternoon. I'm heading to the gym. So, it's back day. It's back day. Back and biceps. My favorite day. So yeah, we're gonna hit up the gym. Make some chicken Caesar salad wraps for dinner. Call it a day. But yeah, man, it's gloomy. September vibes for sure. So yeah, I hope you had a good day. Hope work was chill for you, school was chill for you, and yeah, a little traffic queuing up in the city, but that's okay. I've been thinking, and let me know if you guys, if you want to see this, just drop a comment, let me know your thoughts. But I've been thinking maybe posting my workouts, not like videos, but like the actual exercises, what I'm doing, how many reps I'm doing, how many sets, what my split looks like, giving you guys like a quick little screenshot at the beginning of each video when I am heading to the gym on those POV drives, like I am today. I don't know, man. I remember when I started working out, like, it always helped me a ton having a visual aid of, what to lift, how many sets, how many reps I should do. I know not everybody watching these videos is maybe watching to get information on, working out per se, but it's something I enjoy, something I could maybe curate and post. So if you're interested, just let me know. To me, I think the main benefit of like that stuff is like sometimes you go to the gym and you work out and you just do the same thing over and over again, and you never really get any variety unless you really set your mind to it and you really make that change. I feel like those fountains are new. So having a workout routine in front of you that shows you like a bunch of different exercises that maybe you don't do that often, or you haven't done in a long time, can help motivate you to not only do those, but start training your muscles differently. A lot of the times we'll plateau because we do the same thing every single day. Not every single day, I should say. Maybe every single time we work out. Chest, for example, we do flat bench, barbell press, 4 sets of 12 reps, 10 reps, 8 reps, 8 reps. And then maybe when we do back days, we just do cable rows and we do lat pull downs and we do, all the basics, and we never switch it up. We never switch up the routine. Your body gets used to that and your muscles adapt. And you got to shock your muscles. So when your muscles get adapted and they get used to your exercises, that's when it's time to switch up your exercise, your routine. So anyways, That's my tangent for the day. If you're interested, let me know. I could definitely get something going for that. I think I might just do that anyways, because I think it might help me. Well, it definitely will help me. Like having written down my exercises before I go to the gym will let me stick to that plan easier, I think. And it'll be easier to sort of not be floating around the gym with no idea what to do, which is a problem for me sometimes. But yeah, anyways, yeah, good day, man, good day. Tomorrow's already Wednesday, almost halfway through the week, so can't complain. Life's good. I feel like I'm hitting every red light, so that's all good. I see people tape down, like with blue painter's tape, their rear windshield wiper. I don't know why do people do that? Like, what is that? What is the purpose of that? It just tickles my mind, dude. I don't understand why anybody would do that. There's so many people in this city that that do that. And maybe I'm dumb. Maybe I'm just really stupid and I don't understand why they do that. But if anybody knows, drop a comment. Let me know. Educate me. Enlighten me on that. Because, geez, I feel like it looks really dumb. Not only because it's like, why are you taping down your rear windshield wiper? Like, that's kind of like, you know, a utility that you might need to use sometimes, especially in Washington State. But like, blue painter's tape? Shit, I thought I'd fucking scuffed my wheel there for a second. But we're good. But like, blue painter's tape? Like what? Like, you couldn't pick a better, more, I don't know. I don't know. Like I said, maybe I'm the stupid one. Joke's on me. Man, I'm excited for October. I'm excited for Halloween. It's been a long year since last Halloween. So, yeah. Let's pop out, take a look. The car is very dirty. So, as you can tell, brake dust is disgusting. My wheels are basically orange. But yeah. So anyways, that's that. We're gonna go get this workout in, as always. back and buys today. One of my favorites. So that's all for me, man. I hope you had a great Tuesday. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, drive safe and make it a good day out there. Good evening, a good week. So look forward to seeing you guys soon. Peace.